So let's go ahead and get going with our Explore page today and our good things. So I forgot it last week to start, or yesterday, or earlier. I want to start with you guys today. So Shannon, what do you have for us? Halfway through the week, absolutely. You got any big plans for the weekend or spring break or anything? Don't know, probably just gonna hang out a little bit. All right, sounds good. Have fun. 1, 2. Lauren? Very cool. Who do you play for? Cool. Got club or YMCA or club? Awesome. Awesome. Have fun. 1, 2. River? Spring break is next week. Do you have any big plans? No? Probably just gonna sleep in, take it easy? All right. Have fun with that. 1, 2. Leah? Going to Kansas City. You have to stay on the Kansas side, or are you going to Kansas City, KCMO? You don't know yet? All right. Have fun. 1, 2. All right. So now we're going to go ahead and take a look at the John Deere page. So John Deere talking about the what he did kind of to help Midwestern farmers and how he really kind of improved the plows. So question number 1, why do you think plows were so important to the pioneers? What do you guys have for me? Bryn, what do you have for number 1?
They said that they were important to pioneers because their main, manufacturing businesses for farming.
Absolutely, yeah. So that's how the plows are what allowed them to cut through the sod to plant their crops. Yeah, so like what I said was plows allowed pioneers to develop the land and produce larger yields of crops, which is what Bryn was going on, was talking about, just how with the mass production and allowed them to get to the plows and then allowed the farmers to plow their fields much faster. Good. So, question number 2. Why was John Deere's way of manufacturing more efficient than the previous method? What do you guys have? Joe, what do you have for number 2?
I said that he built it and then he sold it instead of
Absolutely, yeah. So, yeah, his method of producing the plows prior to selling was a big game changer. They're going with that, we're still talking about mass production and that sort of thing. Like, you go to the grocery store and you need like a loaf of bread, you're able to just pull it off the shelf. You don't have to go make the bread. That's what he's getting at here. He's making all the products and then taking them to go sell. Very good, very good. So make sure those are stapled to your Explore page. Your Explore page is due on Friday. So now, as I promised, so we're going to put that away. And now we're going to take a look at that demonstration that I was talking about. Right here. All right, guys, let's go ahead and focus in. So, up, guys, focus in. So, up here, I have made a little telegraph model. Now, it's not the same as what we were talking about yesterday, because the ones yesterday would be connected to a wire, and there would be a little hammer that would make clicking sounds. But because for people like Jackson and those of y'all in the back, you wouldn't have been able to see the paper clip, which is what would have been hitting the nail. So here I have designed have a more World War II model that they used on ships. That you tap my switchboard here, tap my paper clip, circuit and it lights the light. So, what are we good for? Like we're talking with those dots and dashes yesterday for the letters. So like if I wanted to say go Lions, if I wanted to communicate that, so a G is 2 dashes, 1, 2, and a dot. So there's a G. And O is just 3 dashes, 1, 2, 3. And then for the Lions, the L would be dot, dash, dot, dot. And then I, where we go, there is dot, dot. O is again 3 dashes, 1, 2, 3. And then the N is dot, or dash, dot, excuse me. And then S is dot, dot, dot. So if you guys were experienced using Morse code, I wouldn't have had to tell you what I was saying. I could have just flicked the light on and off, and you would have known exactly, hey, he's saying go Lions. So that's what we were talking about yesterday, talking with Morse code. So were you here yesterday? Yeah, okay, I can remember, sorry. With the dot and the dash, that's the length of electric current going through the wire. So it just depends on how long I hold it down for. So like, just right quick, that's a dot. And then a dash is about a second long. So I mean, it's not, it's between dot and dash type thing. It's shorter, it depends on the length of how long it's lit. So, as we did in second hour, I'm going to have you guys give me 4 words, appropriate words, that you want to see done. River?
Donkey.
Donkey. All right. So donkey, so dash, dot, dot is the D. O is 3 dashes. N is dash, dot. And the K is dash, dot, dash. Then E is just a single dot. And then Y is dash, dot, dash, dash. There is donkey. Anybody else got a word for me? Ashley? Fortnite. Okay. All right, so F, it's one word, correct?
Yes.
Okay.
And then NIP.
And I thank you. So F is dot, dot, dash, dot. So F. O is dash, dash, dash. R. So where's the R? There we are. The R is dot, dash, dot. And then T is just a dash. And then night is N is dash, dot. I would be dot, dot. And a T is just your dash. And then E is just a dot. So there is Fortnite for you. Devin?
Apex Legends.
But that's 2 words, sorry, bud.
I can do 2 words, but you gotta spell it for me. So, Apex. See, we had supercalifragilisticexpialidocious
I was gonna
in the
say
first
that.
hour.
I was
but
gonna say that.
You have to spell it for me.
Yeah.
I do.
Oh, I'll do it. Wait, can I?
We'll do Apex Legends first, and then Vaughn can spell it. We'll do supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Can you spell it?
I cannot spell it. So,
I spelled it like.
alright, guys, let's focus back in. Let's focus back in. So, Apex Legends. So, dot, dash for the A. T, dot, dash, dash, dot. The E is just a dot. And then X is a dash, dot, dot, dash. And then you have your space for the legend, or for that space between there, and then legends would be, where's the O? There it is. Dot, dash, dot, dot, and then E is dot, is just a dot. G, dash, dash, dot, and then E is just a dot, and then N is dash, dot, D, dash, dot, dot, right, Vaughn.
Okay, S,
S is dot, dot, dot,
U,
U, dot, dot, dash,
P,
P, dot, dash, dash, dot,
E,
E is dot, R would be dot, dash, dot, all right,
C,
C, dash, dot, dash, dot, A, dot, dash,
L,
L, dot, dash, dot, dot, I, dot, dot,
F,
F, dot, dot, dash, dot,
R,
R, B, dot, dash, dot,
A,
dot, dash,
G,
what do you say?
G,
G, dash, dash, dot, I, dot, dot,
L,
L is dot, dash, dot, dot, I is dot, dot,
S, T,
sorry,
S, T,
ST, all right, so S is dot, 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 T is a dash,
I, C,
dot, dot for the I, and then dash, dot, dash, dot for the C,
E, X,
EX, so dot for the E, and then dash, dot, dot, dash for the X,
P, I,
PI, so dot, dash, dash, dot for the P, and then dot, dot for the I,
A, L,
AL, so dot, dash for the A, and then L is dot, dash, dot, dot,
I, D, O,
IDO, so dot, dot for the I, dash, dot, dot is the D, and then you said O,
yeah,
dash, dash, dash,
C, I,
CI, dash, dot, dash, dot for the C, dot, dot for the I,
O, U, S,
OUS, all right, dash, dash, dash for the O, dot, dot, dash for the U, and S is dot, dot, dot. And that's the end of it, right?
yeah,
Yeah.
All right, there you go. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
You can just sound it out and spell it.
Yeah, oh yeah, definitely. Okay, so that's, we're gonna go ahead and stop with the demo for today. So, now we will go ahead and get back into the book. So you guys please turn to page 404. Your book, we're gonna kind of talk about, we're gonna start with the farm equipment. So, on page 404, I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and read improved farm equipment, just to kind of refresh your minds. I know you did yesterday, but we'll do it again today. And while you're reading, I want you to think about what marketing technique did Cyrus McCormick use to sell his products. So, I'll give you a few minutes. Let's go get started.
No, dear. Do it.